Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Connecticut, in United States. Welcome, I'm Emre, the webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency for investors living in Connecticut. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use the 20% commission kickback links and codes. Now this is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos, news and articles about all coins. Now, we should open this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can get all informations about cryptocurrencies, important cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, Litecoin, Binance Coin and others. It's so easy. Now, we need information about Bitcoin. We should click this button, Info. In this page, we can get all informations about Bitcoin. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Just one click. Let's go.